Today, we mark International Day of Education. It is an important opportunity to reflect on the importance of learning for lasting peace. In Afghanistan, education for all, for girls and boys, women and men, is more than just a fundamental right. It is the foundation for Afghanistan's future. In the past, the Afghan people have brought to the world great poets, architects, scientists, and even astronauts. This is a heritage to be proud of. Education is essential for Afghanistan to tackle the challenges of today and tomorrow, the need for a dynamic economy and jobs, and to reduce the impacts of disasters and climate change. The ongoing denial of education for all women and girls, it is not sustainable. As each day passes, the foundation of prosperous and equitable society is weakened. To the women and girls of Afghanistan, please know that you are not alone. The United Nations stands with you in solidarity and will not cease to engage and advocate for your future. This is not just a demand of Western nations, but also of the Muslim world. As recently, we've been at the conference where this presented by the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Afghanistan's de facto authorities have profound duty to protect and promote these rights for every individual, regardless of gender. To maintain the current path is to only inflict further harm on all Afghans and leave Afghanistan isolated, both from the Islamic world and the international community. I therefore urge de facto authorities to recognize that education is not just a moral imperative, but critical for prosperity and peace.